If your crown chakra is blocked, you may feel depressed, or you may have a fear of death, or you may feel like your life simply lacks purpose. The crown chakra sits a couple inches above your head, and it's the doorway to your higher self. Think of the crown chakra as an invisible telephone line connecting you with the universal intelligence. When people talk about getting downloads of information or channeling, this is happening through the crown chakra. It's mystical, it's mysterious, and it's a lot of fun. As you unblock it, you can tap into an infinite supply of energy. As the center opens up, the idea of self moves from just your body and mind to all beings and all things as one. Recognize that before the Big Bang, all energy and all matter was a single thing. 14 billion years after the Big Bang, we now have these awesome bodies, but we're still just as connected. The crown chakra is our connection to the infinite. The crown chakra is often blocked by earthly attachments and being controlled by material possessions. Imagine you're walking home. You get to the front door and you reach for your keys, but your keys are gone and you can't get in. You grab your phone to call a friend, but now your phone's gone. You look back at your home and poof, it's gone too. And your car out in front, gone. Your wallet is gone. You have no money, no possessions. Everything you own has disappeared. You have no food, no shelter, no money, no friends or family. How does this feel? Do you feel fear? Or do you feel free? Sit with this feeling of liberation. Nothing is holding you here. You have no friends and no family who will miss you if you're gone. You could disappear and it wouldn't mean a thing to anyone. Now imagine a bright purple orb of light just above your head. Close your eyes if that helps. Imagine this orb growing brighter and brighter and turning into a tunnel of light that streams from the top of your head to the heavens above. This tunnel is connecting you to the infinite. As this connection grows brighter, you feel pure, loving presence. Now say to yourself, even with nothing, I am never alone and I am always loved, for this is all I need. You are an infinite being. You will exist beyond death, for your consciousness is eternal and timeless. It is infinite. Fear of death is a gateway to powerfully open your crown chakra. Most humans haven't woken up to the interconnectivity of our minds. We are all connected. Think of consciousness as the timeless element in this realm. It is unrestrained by physical boundaries and distance. Your consciousness, the awareness that's enjoying this experience, is not only connected to all other beings here, but throughout the universe, and in its totality connected back to the source of everything. For all beings share a single consciousness, which eventually leads back to a single source. Think about death. Think about life. Think about the infinite. Having thoughts beyond this earthly realm will unblock your crown chakra. Another way to help unblock your crown chakra is to simplify your life. Get rid of possessions taking up space, things you haven't used, things you don't need. Over the next 24 hours, remove all things that no longer serve you. Get rid of things you've been holding on to. Give them away. If you haven't worn clothing in a year, just get rid of it. Open your mind up to higher dimensions, higher realms, higher conscious beings. Be open to the fact there may be more to existence than just this little earth life. Ask for assistance from a higher intelligence. Use your intuition to guide you. Find a book from an enlightened teacher, like Ram Dass, Eckhart Tolle, the Tao Te Ching, and so on, and read it daily. This will help activate your crown chakra. As your crown chakra activates, your life purpose will become crystal clear. Your life will begin to unfold with ease, and your mental state will be one of peace and joy. And this is just the beginning. The real fun comes when you unblock a chakra and you align it with the rest of your chakras to all work together. You may have other chakras that are partially blocked, so finding them is important. Once you unblock and activate, and then align your chakras to all work together, you can tap into unlimited energy, pure confidence, and live a passionate, joyful life. It's magical.